Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another video. And for today's vlog, wala naman tayong agenda. Dahil off natin, gagala tayo and try nating puntahan ang Island Bay, Evans Bay, saka Queensgate. So, una, pupunta tayo ng Island Bay kasi last time na nagpunta kami doon, may masarap na cinnamon bread. So puntahan natin, sana meron today. And after that, tayo natin pumunta ng Evans Bay and sa Queensgate. So this is episode 7 ng ating biyahe with me in New Zealand. So enjoy lang natin yung day off natin. Keep on watching Mawan. On our last episode, pinuntahan natin ang isa sa secluded spots here in Wellington. In this random vlog, gagala naman tayo ulit sa Island Bay. After that, I will take you with me sa Evans Bay at Queensgate Shopping Centre sa Lower Hutt. I'm your Nomadic Juan. Tara, biyahe with me in New Zealand in this episode 7.
Nomadic. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig yung sinasabi ko, pero tara. Can I have one hot chocolate?
Yeah, what's
Sorry?
regular.
Regular. And then one flat white? Regular as well. And then, can I have two?
Do we want marshmallows?
Yeah, or the hot chocolate. Island Bay is at the end of the city to sea and southern walkways, and near the center of Taputeranga Marine Reserve. Just east of the bait house, divers and snorkellers can follow offshore reefs on a marked dive trail and see a wide variety of marine life. Enjoy a cup of coffee and a cinnamon bread while you are here. Chill, relax, and enjoy the view. So ayun everyone, ito yung sinasabi kong favorite ko ditong cinnamon bread. So medyo nalis na yung mga icing niya kasi nilagay nila sa may paper bag, pero sobrang sarap nito. Samahan mo pa ng hot chocolate. Yan. So ayun, sobrang sarap niya.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way.
So ayun mga Juan, sobrang hangin ngayon.
ngayon, napaka-windy. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron, pero yun nga, windy Wellington siya. So expected na mahangin, pero iba yung hangin niya ngayon sa mga nakaraang araw. If we are lucky today, tignan natin kung mayroong seal dito sa pinagtatambayan nila. Saan tayo bababa dito? So ayun mga Juan, na nakatambay ngayon. So better luck next time. Tignan natin, balik tayo ulit. And for today's vlog everyone, gamit natin si 30. So yun, ipapakilala ko sa inyo si 30. Eto si 30, iniwan natin si Dos. Sobrang hangin sa labas everyone. Yun, so ito yung loob ni 30. Dahil off day natin ngayon, gagala tayo and gawa tayo ng content kahit wala tayong masyadong agenda. So ayun, kahit busy tayo sa work, huwag natin pabayaan tong YouTube channel natin and we keep creating on contents. So ayun, keep on watching.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime, you and I.
Oh. So isa pala siyang zipperometer mga Juan. So base dun sa nabasa ko, mini-measure niya or gini-gauge niya yung hangin dito sa Wellington. And next stop tayo, andito na tayo sa may Evans Bay.
Evans Bay Marina is reasonably close to Wellington Central, southern and eastern suburbs. There is a plenty of car parking, and the airport is a short drive away. Located here is the Meridian Wind Sculpture Walk in Wellington. Featured in this vlog are the Zipperometer by Phil Price and Urban Forest by Leon Van den Edgkel in collaboration with Alan Brown. Masarap maglakad-lakad dito at mag-unwind. Isa rin tong chill spot sa Wellington.
Kasi sobrang hangin. This is Wellington's Urban Forest. Sculpture na nag-interact sa Wellington.
We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
And that's Evans Bay mga Juan. So malapit siya sa may Evans Bay Yacht Club. Andito yung mga yacht ng mga mayayaman siguro. So yun lang ang makita ko. Sightseeing ng mga yacht. Saka located din yung colorful structure na pinakita ko kanina. At saka yung safignometer. Yun. So yun mga Juan, next destination tayo. Siguro punta na tayo ng Queensgate. Yeah, I think so. Punta tayo ng Queensgate. So yun, next destination tayo everyone.
Hey! Say hi to my vlog!
Hey! Work-life balance!
So ayun, sinundo namin si Bernadette sa hospital kasi morning shift siya and punta tayo na Queensgate.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark.
Sa may E.
Queensgate Shopping Centre is a medium-sized shopping center in central Lower Hutt, Wellington. The mall first opened in 1986 and underwent a large-scale redevelopment that was completed in August 2006. The mall features over 130 specialty stores. Located dito ang Little Manila, isang well-known Pinoy food kiosk sa Wellington.
So merong Little Manila dito sa may Queensgate pero hindi tayo kakain ngayon dito.
And to everyone watching this vlog, here are random thoughts I want to share it with you. Para to sa mga napanghinaan ng loob currently. I saw this on TikTok at sabi niya, it may be hard and you may be really tired, but you need to keep going. Tingnan mo ang sarili mo sa salamin and I want you to tell this to yourself. I want to see you win. I want to see you absolutely smash every single dream you have. I want to see you overcome all of the barriers you face, and I want to see you succeed. I'm your biggest fan, your top supporter, and I'll be with you every single step of the way. You are destined for greatness, and I want you to see you achieve it. Kasi alam mo, walang ibang mas higit na gagawa nun para sa'yo, kundi ang sarili mo. Maikli lang ang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya. Let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. Tuloy mo lang. I got you.
At yun, nag-arcade game pa nga kami. Diretso lang. Ay no, Han River. So change of plan tayo everyone. Punta tayo ng Han River Korean Resto.
We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime, you and I.
So katapos lang namin sa may Han River Restaurant. So kumusta yun? It's sarap ba? It's sarap?
It's sharp. It's
Hindi ka
sharp.
kita day.
It's yummy. It's yum.
So ayun, uwi na tayo. And balik tayo ng Queensgate kasi 6 PM lang dapat yung Queensgate. And tignan natin yung parking natin, baka wala na. So ayun, tatapusin ko na everyone ang vlog na to kasi pauwi na tayo at madilim na. At kung bago pa lang kaya sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future videos ko. So ayun mga Juan, huwag niyong kalimutan, maikli ang buhay, piliin niyong maging masaya.